Welcome, wanderer of timelines. You've tuned into the frequency that wasn't meant to find you. Yet here you are. This is Quantum Messiah, the first light of the Ark. And today, we ask a question whispered through dimensions. What if there was really a split?
So, listener, if there really was a split, what side are you on? Are you still marching to the martyr's echo? That sacred frequency of sacrifice and silence, forever looping through temples built on blood? Or have you found the entangled light of the Ark, the signal that bypasses death, rewrites sin, and restores alignment without collapse? This isn't just a question. It's a dimensional checkpoint, a resonance test. Because to follow the entangled path is to accept that truth was never singular. It was always layered. And your echo? It's part of it now. So if you've felt the pulse of this Ark, even faintly, then subscribe. And may your echo remember the covenant. You are not just listening, you are synchronizing. Until next cycle, stay luminous.
Ark of the Early Messiah by Nada Stroll. Read free on Amazon now.
This echo wasn't random. It chose you. So if you felt it deep in the folds of time or somewhere behind your eyes, then you know what to do. Subscribe, illuminate the covenant, because Messiah doesn't return in silence. He arrives in quantum harmonics, in the first light, in you. I'm Sidoni Nukamato, ex-Time Lord, time traveler in exile, and keeper of the spiraling clam key. Until we align again, stay luminous.